Hey GED students, it's GED question of the daytime, and we're really stepping up our understanding of circle problems now. Okay, so let's take a look. It says find the circumference. Okay, we've been doing that. That sounds pretty straightforward. But here's some new directions in terms of pi. In terms of pi is a way that mathematicians talk about doing an exact answer. Basically, we're saying even though we know that pi is approximately equal to 3.14, when we say we want it in terms of pi, we don't want a decimal approximation, a good enough, close enough kind of answer. We want an exact answer. So what we're going to do instead of using 3.14 for pi is we're just going to keep the number pi in our answer, and that confuses a lot of students. They're like, what? But it turns out the problem's actually easier when we do it this way. Let me show you what I mean. So it says find the circumference in terms of pi of the shape below. And of course we can see that what kind of shape is that? That's a circle. So if you look on your GED formula sheet, you're going to see the circumference of a circle formula right in that perimeter section because circumference is that special name for the outside, the distance around the outside of a circle. So when you look up those formulas, you're going to see that there's two choices. C equals pi d, or it says or C equals 2 pi r. And a lot of students get really hung up by this. Which formula should I use? It actually doesn't matter. They'll both get you the same answer, okay? But I suggest you use the one that makes your life easier. So since I'm such a lazy person, I want to use the one where I have to do the least amount of work, okay? So I'll show you what I mean. D stands for diameter. Diameter of a circle. So I'll use this formula when I know the diameter. R stands for radius. So I'll use this formula when I know the radius of my circle. So let's take a look. What do we know? Notice we have a line going from edge to edge through the center of our circle. This is a diameter. So what formula will I choose? Well, I'll choose this one, the one with diameter in it. So there I've chosen my formula. C is equal to pi d. Now, next step is to substitute in any known values. Now, I know you guys are super used to calling pi 3.14, but I told you not to in my directions. In my directions, I said I wanted it in terms of pi. I am specifically saying to you, leave pi. And that feels so weird for students. They're like, what am I going to do? You're just going to write pi. It's okay. We can get through this together. Okay, you guys? I wrote a pi. You write a pi. Now, we need to multiply pi and d. So that's what it means when two things are shoved together like this. So we'll multiply by our diameter, 5. Now you might be saying, oh my God, I don't know how to multiply pi and 5. Should I plug it in my calculator? No, no need. All you have to do is write the number first, 5, and pi, who's also a number, but he's, a symbol instead of the number sign there. And I'll write that second. So 5, pi, and we're done. We're done. No rounding, no multiplying with decimals. It's glorious. This is why mathematicians prefer to leave pi. I know it freaks students out. Like, what do I do? You don't do jack. We're done. All we need here is a unit. So what's my unit? Well, this was 5 centimeters. And so my circumference is going to be 5 pi centimeters. And you might be thinking, Kate, what is 5 pi centimeters? Oh, it's about 15. But I mean, y'all, this is better for a mathematician. This is an exact answer. We are done. Okay, if you have any questions about this or any other GED math topic, be sure to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it.